Welcome to Campfire Meals. We got in a little emergency. There's a couple girls down there want to come over for dinner. We got to make something fast. We're doing quesadillas. Here we go. Okay, so I always like to bring a protein that I already had cooked. So I've got myself a chicken here. I always bring tortillas. We made some pico de gallo in an earlier Tuesday's tip, as we did some roasted poblanos in another Tuesday's tip. Please don't call them pasillas. Just some salt, some cheese, a little oil. Time's a wasting, let's get cooking. All right, we're just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil in here. We're gonna smooth that around a bit. We're gonna put our tortilla down. I'm gonna get that guy warm. I've had my pan hot for a little while. I'm gonna put a little cheese on there, mostly on one side if you like, because we're gonna fold it over. I'm gonna take my chicken. Let's just get some of that breast in here. The girls like chicken breast, I can tell. See if that's enough. Chopped chicken, very handy. I want just a little bit of this chili poblano. And just put a little bit of salt. Fold her over, press. Give it just a minute. That pan is nice and hot. Don't burn yourself. There we go. All right, so that was quick and easy. I've got some pico de gallo from a previous Tuesday's tip. Go look that up on the website. Put a little bit on here. Yes, nice cruda. I'm gonna give her some too. That much. That's it. Make sure you Facebook us, make sure you subscribe, make sure you give me some comments, and we'll see you soon. It's getting hungry out here. See you at the campfire.